We all know the feeling. You start to change lanes and there's a loud honk. You are about to pull into a vehicle that was in your blind spot. Hyundai's available Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist system can help to act as an extra set of eyes on the road behind you. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance, or BCA, uses radar sensors in the rear corners of your vehicle to monitor and warn you of an approaching vehicle in your blind spot. The BCA indicator will illuminate in the corresponding side view mirror whenever a vehicle is detected in your blind spot area. If you apply the turn signal in an attempt to change lanes when a vehicle is detected in your blind spot area, an audible warning will occur, and the indicator in the side view mirror will flash. Similarly, if a vehicle is approaching at a high rate of speed and you apply the turn signal to merge, the system sounds the alert and flashes the indicator. BCA also employs a camera on the windshield to detect lane markers in front of you, so it knows your position. If it sees that a collision is imminent, it can intervene to reduce the risk or to make the impact less severe. For models without navigation, the system is activated via the instrument cluster display. Press the menu or OK button. At the bottom, you'll see a menu appear. Scroll down using the OK button to User Settings. Press OK. Scroll down to Driver Assistance, then press OK. Select Blind Spot Safety. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, the system is activated via the touchscreen navigation system. Press the Setup button. Now go to the touchscreen and select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Blind Spot Safety. Once at the proper setting menu, you can then choose between Active Assist, Warning Only, and Off. Active Assist sounds a warning and may apply the brakes if a collision is possible with a vehicle in your blind spot. For it to work, you must be traveling over 40 miles per hour and less than 112 miles per hour, and the system must detect lane markers on both sides of you. When it activates, BCA engages your vehicle's electronic stability control, or ESC system. The BCA brakes the front wheel in the direction opposite to the collision that is expected to help keep you in your lane. If this happens, you'll see an alert on the LCD display. If you choose Warning Only, you will only hear an audio alert, and the ESC system will not activate. If you choose Off, the system will not alert you to any possible collision in your blind spot while driving. BCA may not always detect a possible collision, especially on curves or slopes, where lanes are at different heights, or when traffic is merging or dividing. Please see your owner's manual for a fuller list of these types of situations. Some models are also equipped with a blind spot view monitor. This system puts an image of your blind spot on the instrument cluster right in front of you whenever you use your turn signal to change lanes. To activate the system, press the Setup button on the dash. Now go to the touchscreen and select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Blind Spot Safety. Check the box next to Blind Spot View to activate the system. Now when you signal to turn left, you'll see the left side rear view of the road on your instrument cluster. You'll see the other side when you signal right. For more information on these and other safety features on your Hyundai, please consult your owner's manual.